Hi everyone, and welcome! Today, we're taking a fascinating trip back in time to the world of retrocomputing. We're going to answer a crucial question that shaped modern computing. What was the very first x86 processor to truly run a virtual machine with hardware assistance? This was a massive leap forward for technology. For many years, running virtual machines on x86 processors was a complex challenge. The x86 architecture, as originally designed, wasn't built with virtualization in mind. Early solutions, like those from VMware, relied heavily on software tricks. These methods included binary translation. They worked, but they added significant overhead. Performance often suffered. It wasn't as efficient as running directly on the hardware. Then came a revolutionary change. Processor manufacturers began to integrate special instructions directly into the silicon. These instructions were specifically designed to support virtualization. This new approach made virtualization much more efficient. It reduced the need for complex software emulation. It allowed the hypervisor to manage virtual machines with far less overhead. This is what we call hardware-assisted virtualization. So, which processor first brought this game-changing capability to the x86 platform? The honor goes to Intel. In 2005, Intel introduced its virtualization technology, which they branded as VTX. The very first x86 processors to feature VTX were specific models within the Intel Pentium 4/6x2 series. Processors like the Pentium 4 662 and 672 were among the pioneers. Some early Pentium D processors also included this technology. These chips were truly groundbreaking. They allowed a hypervisor to run virtual machines with near-native performance. Operating systems could run in isolated environments without heavy software translation. This innovation drastically improved the feasibility and performance of virtualization. It was a critical step for server consolidation. It also enabled developers to easily test software in multiple operating systems. This happened without needing separate physical machines. Shortly after Intel's introduction, AMD also released its own hardware virtualization technology. AMD called it AMDV, initially codenamed Pacifica. This came out in 2006. AMDV was featured in their Athlon 64, Athlon 64X2, and Opteron processors. Both Intel's VTX and AMD's AMDV achieved similar goals. They made hardware-assisted virtualization a standard feature in x86 processors. But Intel's VTX arrived first. It truly marked the beginning of modern hardware-assisted virtualization on the x86 architecture. This technology fundamentally changed the computing landscape. It paved the way for today's massive cloud computing infrastructures. It made virtual servers and desktop virtualization commonplace. It transformed how businesses manage their IT resources. It also changed how we develop and deploy software. It all started with those early Pentium 4 processors featuring VTX. That's our look back at a pivotal moment in computing history. It's incredible to see how these early innovations continue to influence technology today. Thank you so much for watching this deep dive into retrocomputing. If you enjoyed learning about this important piece of tech history, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fascinating insights into technology, past and present. We'll see you next time.